Hi and welcome. On the project screen you'll see information about any specific project that you've already added to Raptor and any of the sites that you've added within that project. For example, here we've got two sites added to the main site section, as is shown here. And from here you can also add additional competitors, you can add additional main sites, you can crawl any one site, you can crawl all of the main sites, crawl all of the competitors, crawl all of the sites in a project at the same time. And if you've already made crawls or performed crawls previously, you'll have access to links to the reporting page, to the SEO audit page, and you can also delete sites from within here by clicking the delete link, or edit project settings by clicking on the settings link. You will have to have already crawled a project to get access to any of the reporting or SEO auditing data, which is the same as the menu links from the side where we have reporting and SEO audit. Thanks for watching.